Most people believe their body just slowly breaks down over time, that aging means damage, and that once something goes wrong, it's permanent. But here's a biological truth that most people never hear. Your body is constantly repairing itself every single day. Right now, as you're watching this, old cells are being removed. New cells are being created and damaged tissue is being replaced. Your skin renews itself about every month. Your gut lining replaces itself every few days. Your red blood cells are replaced every few months. Even your bones are continuously rebuilding themselves. So when people feel more tired, inflamed, foggy, or weak year after year, it's usually not because the body stopped working. It's because the body is missing the key nutrients it needs to complete the repair process. Think of your body like a repair shop. The mechanics are there, the tools are ready, and the repair manual is open. But if the parts never arrive, the repair never happens. Today, I am going to show you 3 ordinary foods that science shows support the body's natural repair systems. These foods are affordable, widely available, and have decades of research behind them. Yet most people underestimate their impact. Let's start with the food that was blamed for problems it never caused. Superfood number 1 is eggs, the gold standard for repair. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods ever studied. In nutrition science, eggs are often used as a reference food, meaning other proteins are compared to eggs to see how complete they are. But why is protein so important for repair? Well, your body is literally built from protein. Your muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, and immune cells all depend on it. Every single day, your body breaks down damaged or worn-out proteins and replaces them with new ones. Research consistently shows that not getting enough protein slows down tissue repair, especially as people get older. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in ratios that the human body can use incredibly efficiently. This is why egg protein has one of the highest biological values of any food, meaning your body absorbs and uses it extremely well. Now let's talk about the yolk, the most misunderstood part of the egg. So many people eat only the egg whites, and that removes more than half of the nutritional value. The yolk contains vitamin A for immune and skin health, vitamin D for bone and immune support, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, vitamin B12 for nerve and blood health, and a crucial nutrient called choline. Why is choline so critical and underconsumed? According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, most adults don't meet the recommended intake for choline. This nutrient is required for building brain cell membranes, producing neurotransmitters, and supporting memory and learning. It's also vital for liver fat metabolism. Low choline intake is associated with changes leading to fatty liver, cognitive decline, and poor nerve signaling. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of choline, which is one reason eggs are linked to better brain and liver health in population studies. But what about the cholesterol? For decades, eggs were blamed for heart disease, but this was based on association, not causation. Modern research, including large reviews in the Journal of the American Medical Association, shows that for most healthy people, the dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly raise cardiovascular risk. Your liver produces cholesterol because your body needs it for hormone production, building cell membranes, and vitamin D synthesis. When you eat cholesterol, your liver simply adjusts its own production. Eggs don't clog your arteries. They provide the essential nutrients your body uses for repair and regulation. Now for our second superfood, Greek yogurt and kefir, the gut repair connection. If eggs provide the building blocks, then Greek yogurt and kefir help control how effectively your body uses those blocks. And that control center is your gut microbiome. Why does the gut control so much more than just digestion? Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms. Collectively, they weigh about as much as your brain. Research from Nature Reviews Gastroenterology shows the gut microbiome influences your immune response, inflammation levels, nutrient absorption, and even brain signaling. In fact, over 70% of your immune system resides in or around your gut. When your gut is imbalanced, people often experience fatigue, brain fog, digestive discomfort, increased inflammation, and a weakened immune system. So, how do probiotics support repair? Greek yogurt and kefir contain live, beneficial bacteria, including strains of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Studies show these bacteria help strengthen the gut lining, reduce what's known as intestinal permeability or leaky gut, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammatory signaling throughout the body. This really matters because chronic inflammation slows down repair processes everywhere. When inflammation is lower, your body's repair systems can work faster and more efficiently. Plus, you get a dual benefit. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, especially casein, which digests slowly and supports muscle maintenance and repair over several hours. This makes it especially beneficial for aging adults, active individuals, and anyone recovering from stress or illness. But there's a sugar problem that most people miss. Research clearly shows that added sugar disrupts the balance of your gut bacteria. That's why those flavored yogurts often cancel out the benefits they could provide. Always choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or kefir. A healthier gut doesn't just digest food better. It directs your overall health. This brings us to superfood number 3. Bananas for nerve, muscle, and energy support. Bananas might not look impressive, but biologically, they serve a very important role. They are packed with potassium, an overlooked mineral that is absolutely essential. Potassium is required for muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, heart rhythm stability, and maintaining fluid balance. According to the CDC, many adults fall far short on their daily potassium intake. Low potassium can cause muscle cramps, fatigue, weakness, and even sensations of an irregular heartbeat. Bananas are one of the most accessible and natural sources of this vital mineral. They also provide energy without the stress. Bananas contain carbohydrates in a form the body can quickly convert into energy. Now, when eaten alone, they can raise blood sugar. But when you pair them with a protein or a fat like with a scoop of Greek yogurt or a couple of eggs, they help maintain stable energy levels. This makes them ideal for morning energy, post-exercise recovery, and preventing those afternoon energy crashes, and there's more. Bananas contain prebiotic fiber, which is essentially food for your good gut bacteria. This means bananas support digestion, improve mineral absorption, and strengthen your gut health over time. So they don't just fuel your body. They support the very system that regulates your body's repair processes. So, how do these 3 foods work together? Let's look at the bigger picture. The eggs provide the high-quality building materials, the protein and micronutrients. The yogurt optimizes absorption and immune control through a healthy gut. And the bananas support your nerves, muscles, and energy balance. Together, they create a powerful synergy that supports faster tissue repair, reduced inflammation, better digestion, and more stable energy. This isn't a diet trend. It's nutritional support for how the human body actually works. So here's the final message, with no confusion and no hype. Your body isn't broken. It's incredibly intelligent. It's always trying to heal, but it can only work with the materials you give it. Food isn't just calories. It's information. When you consistently give your body the right signals, it responds quietly, efficiently, and powerfully. Simple foods, science-backed support, real repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how your body really works. See you in the next video.